Hey guys, I'm back here at the Florence Avenue crossing. Abandoned one, I have to say. Some quiet updates here. They closed the relay case. Because last time when Ivan Timberwolf viewed it, that relay case was open. So, oh, and also the last video I didn't shake the bell for you guys, but I'll do that today. We got a USNS base, safe tran 12x24 lights, safe tran bracket, and the bell is a USNS teardrop bell. Guys, if you guys wanted me to do this, I'll shake it for you guys. Well, let me just, is it face? I think it is. Let's try that again. I'll think I get this ring. Let's try it again. Then I'll toot it out across me. Nah, that's all I could just do for you guys. Oh, another train coming. Nice. I don't think that was a train. There was the other signal, like, we gotta wait for this car to go. There's the others. That was looking, believe that's looking south towards the end of the line. This used to be an old lumber spur. Now it's looking north towards the SJVR Exeter sub. I'm just gonna cross. There's the other signal. But I already know that's a third gen. I think that's a second gen. No, third, second. I don't know. No, I'm not gonna say generation. I'm just gonna say second gen. We got a WRS base, safe tran 12x24 lights. Same with those lights, and a safe tran bracket, and a USNS teardrop bell. Same with this one. I'm gonna shake it again. I believe that's all I can just get it to right now. I just got one ring and that's it. But I still think this is a good crossing still. But anyways, that's it for the Florence crossing. See you next time. See ya. And like and subscribe and comment.